and that was when I got my first panic
Panic
attack.
attack.
बहुत गंदा panic attack आया था उस दिन मेरे को. Like I locked myself and I was just crying. क्या करना? Because I thought कि मेरा gap बहुत बढ़ रहा है या क्या हो रहा है? I don't have anything solid. जब इंसान के पास कुछ solid नहीं होता है तो वैसे ही इतना चल रहा है दुनिया में, right?
Right.
और मेरे पास कोई था नहीं. मैं I'm not pursuing anything. ना job है, ना college है, कुछ भी है, तो बहुत difficult हो रहा था मेरे लिए.
Exactly.
बहुत गंदा panic attack आया. So it's just 4 episodes old, so there is no like concrete. I'm still like exploring what I really want it to be. What I really
What
like
was
is
your
basically
thought behind it, like in?
yeah. So whenever I approach someone, and ऐसा कोई qualification नहीं है मेरे podcast पे, and anyone can come. But what I ask them is, what is something that you feel like isn't talked about enough that you really feel strongly about? And
Right.
सबके पास ऐसा कुछ होता है.
Right.
सबके पास. That you feel like अच्छा इसके बारे में तो कोई बात ही नहीं करता है. Like second episode मेरा था about friend breakup. No one talks about it. It hurts you a lot. It affects you in ways you never thought, because no one prepared you for that, right?
Exactly.
No one prepared you for friend break. आपको लगता है यार दिल चाहता ही चल रहा है, एक बार दोस्ती हो गई तो बस दोस्ती रहेगी. No, सबकी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स है. फ्रेंड्स को भी उतनी ही स्पेस चाहिए होती है, उतना ही कम्युनिकेशन इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जितना एक रिलेशनशिप में होता है. एंड अगर फ्रेंड ब्रेकअप होता है तो इट हर्ट्स यू इन
Exactly, it hurts you. It hurts you physically. Actually, mentally तो होता ही है. It hurts you physically. You can feel that pain, because I felt that people just move apart. They just move apart. Actually, right now, because of WhatsApp, social media that we have, people are much more connected than they could have been. पहले तो you move to a different city, you move to a different country. That's it. You don't remember so you can't even connect to those people whom you were in college with, whom you had good times with. You couldn't connect with anyone. And you would move apart, and that's how life is. Again, उसमें बोला था, that's how life is. That's how
people feel out. People ghost people. मतलब उनको नहीं समझ आता even why they are doing it, but ठीक है लोग करते हैं, right? And बचपन से हमने movies में क्या देखा है, breakup होता है तो ये करते हैं लोग.
Right.
दोस्ती टूटती है तो क्या करते हैं? No one talks about it. And me and the person who spoke on that podcast, we feel strongly about this. We have been through situations where we have been ghosted by people, or we phased out with like our best friends. So things happened that affected us a lot.
Right.
So I just want कि कोई भी मेरे podcast पे they have something like that.
No, that's great, because I feel that that's really important, because like when I started, I had this, like you. I mean, you are one of those people whom I have wanted to bring for so long, because you are like hitting that exact note to मुझे चाहिए. Because I want people, like I don't know, like there must be hundreds of people like you, who had this problems, who had these things that going on, panic attack, struggle. अबे यार, it's a big thing, and people, we don't talk about mind, and we don't talk about those mindfulness and mindfulness. We don't talk about that.
क्या होता है पता है? If I tell you मेरे को panic attack आया, you'll be like, oh, I'm so sorry. I don't want your sympathy. I don't want your sympathy. When I tell you I have diabetes, I don't want your sympathy.
Sympathy नहीं चाहिए, right?
नहीं चाहिए. And I know some people are like, तो क्या बोलूं मैं?
Exactly.
I get it. So just tell me you're there for me. That's it.
Exactly.
That's all I want. I don't want कि यार क्या तेरे साथ क्या हो गया, ये क्या उम्र है, all that bullshit. I don't.
Until unless someone says यार पता ये हुआ था, and then you get deeper into it, you understand कि अच्छा ये भी हुआ था, and then that's a time when you feel that sense of gratitude कि अरे यार, this is how life can be.
Of course. Exactly.
That's how life could have been, but I'm in such a position कि ऐसा नहीं है मेरे साथ. And I'm so privileged, and I'm so thankful to God, my parents, to everyone who is around, that I have not been in such a case to have such things going on with me in my life.
उल्टी चीज भी होती है. That sometimes you find people कि oh my, okay, you are also going through this. I'm not alone in this, because I have been like, मेरे को कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ था at starting में when I was diagnosed, I felt alone. कि पूरा कैंपस है, 4000 लोग है, किसी को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Why me? I made this amazing friend who like I used to feel like diabetes के around मेरी पूरी जिंदगी चल रही है, and he taught me that okay, this is a part of your life.
Exactly, this is not your life, this is a part of
yeah, which is very important. And ये बहुत छोटी चीज लगती है कि अरे नहीं ये पार्ट ही तो है, तेरे को समझ क्यों नहीं आया. Once you get diagnosed with something like that, you make it your life. Because you're constantly thinking about it. I'm constantly thinking about it, but when I spoke to you, that wasn't the only thing I spoke about.
Exactly.
That was one of the things we spoke about. But other than that, we spoke about so much before this interview happened, right?
Bilkul, right?
So I made it a part of my life, which was very difficult for me. And I am so glad I met some people, like some people in my community who helped me like that. And I know people, like, starting I used to think, okay, how will I travel? I like traveling a lot. How will I travel with this? Or how will I do this or that? करते हैं लोग, सब हो जाता है.
Things happen to us, and sometimes we get so much involved into it that we feel that's the only thing. But you have to get above it and see that this is something that's happening. Like, when you are a forest fire, you can't get into the forest and then get it. You have to take an aerial route, see कि कहाँ fire लगी है, and then
bird eye view देखना पड़ता है अपनी life पे.
Exactly. Right. And then you have to get into it and solve that particular thing. See कि कहाँ problems हैं. You have been through a journey. You're going through a journey right now. You have to forest fires में you can contain that if you get that aerial route, and that's why people go aerial. Exactly. You need to have that bird's eye view. Totally. Yeah. That's amazing. I mean, this is one of the things I really wanted to discuss with someone, and but that struggle mentally made me feel alone again in myself, and I felt नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं है. There are people who are going through this. I used to follow people because these guys bring on people who talk about mind, who talk about health, who talk about physiology, psychology, and all that stuff. And I love hearing about that personally, because brain and mind, सबको नहीं पता होता. Brain and mind are two different things. I was listening to something like this in the morning today. I was like, brain and mind are two different things. You have to understand the difference between the two, and that's how it works. And and that's how you can manifest your own thoughts. You can manifest your own thoughts, and we are not being governed. We are our thoughts for sure, but we can make our own thoughts. It said, I don't know if you've heard of this, if you just smile, you will be happy. In any situation. If you just smile about it, even if it's not a happy situation, just smile about it, you are automatically going to change your own physiology, that you are feeling happy. This happens. And I used to do these things, when I was sad.
Similarly, like, I had this idea of a podcast since like my college years. Us time confidence nahi tha mere mein, to be honest.
Right.
Because I had people who told me that, you can talk. You are someone who can talk to someone for hours if you want to. But, and I always, like, the same reason, I wanted to discover stories of people. I wanted to, उस time confidence नहीं था मेरे पास, to be honest. And जब लोगों ने बोला that, you can talk, you can carry a conversation, you should do it. So I was like, ठीक है, करते हैं. But career decisions चल रहे थे, बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. But I also wanted to do the same thing. I wanted to discover stories. क्योंकि मेरे को लगता था मेरे life में struggle चल रही है. But obviously that's not true.
That's not true.
So to feel less lonely, I used to do that. Like, that's how I started talking to more people. I was a very introvert, shy kid in school. Right? किसी से बात नहीं करना. मेरे 2 दोस्त हैं, उनसे बात करना, चुपचाप घर आना, पढ़ाई करना, कुछ नहीं. स्कूल की मस्ती कुछ नहीं किया मैंने. But I do regret that, because like there have been instances where I've been wanting to talk to someone and confidence नहीं है भाई, क्या कैसे जाके बात करूं.
You don't know how to talk to people. That's a problem that people face. That's true.
Mostly it's confidence, and mostly confidence कहाँ से आता है? When you stop giving a fuck about what other people say. Anyone will judge. उनका काम है. तू भी मैं हम दोनों नहीं जज करते क्या?
हम बड़े for sure.
कोट्स मार रहे हैं, हम दोनों जज करते हैं, सब जज करते हैं. That's human nature.
Everyone does it. Yeah.
Like ये वो लोग जज करते हैं, मैं नहीं, हम भी करते हैं. Everyone does that.
Everyone does it.
You need to get past that, and you need to understand कि ठीक है यार, अगर उस टाइम नहीं था. जब मैं कॉलेज में आई, I was like, okay, this is a fresh start for me.
Right.
No one knows me. No one knows कि मैं इतनी introverted थी या जो भी थी. I can make a new, मैं अपना नया image बना सकती हूँ यहाँ पे.
Yes.
कॉलेज में यही था मेरा image. Like not like I had a huge group of friends, but कॉलेज में I was always known as the person जो सबसे ज्यादा बोलती है, सबसे बात करती है, और like किसी के पास भी जाके बात कर सकती है. So that is a new image. Yeah, and starting में I had to fake confidence. मेरे को नहीं था confidence. 16 years, मतलब I remember distinctively. तो कॉलेज का स्टार्टिंग का टाइम था, मुझे अच्छे से याद है. आई थिंक 1 महीना हुआ था, 1-1.5 महीना हुआ था. किसी का बर्थडे था, हम ट्रूथ एंड डेयर खेल रहे हैं, मेरे को डेयर मिला, द नेक्स्ट पर्सन हु कम्स फ्रॉम दैट रोड, उससे जाके बात करनी है.
राइट.
एंड सीनियर आया, एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओके व्हाट. एंड इस पॉइंट पे आई वाज टॉकिंग टू पीपल, मतलब धीरे धीरे आई वाज लाइक फेकिंग कॉन्फिडेंस, टॉकिंग टू पीपल. सीनियर,
राइट,
देखा जाएगा. व्हेन देयर नंबर मांगना था उसका, आई एम सो सॉरी. हां, नंबर मांगना. अच्छा, ओके. When there, I was like, I've seen you around, and I find you cute. Can we hang out later? वगैरह
That's
वगैरह बोला. Then
okay.
need to have confidence. You can fake it till you make it. ये बहुत cliche है, but it is true.
It works actually. It does work.
Last year में when I had that कि मेरे को podcast अपना start करना है.
Right.
बहुत मन था मेरा. But वही and कब से मन कर रहा था. लॉकडाउन पे भी वही हुआ. अचानक से push मिल गया. When I was frustrated and internship भी बस फालतू जा रही थी, I was like कुछ करना है. I need that creative outlet.
You want to do something.
Something. And I miss talking to people because when I was going to my office या coaching, I used to talk to like at least 5 people every day.
Right. Yeah.
I am one of those people who thrives on talking to people. मुझे चाहिए लोग बात करने के लिए हमेशा. नए लोग, पुराने लोग, कैसे भी लोग.
Yeah.
So I was really missing that. That's how I was like, अब podcast करते.
Right.
Another reason to talk to people, another reason कि उनके struggles सुनो, because I was already, as you know, going through a lot.
Exactly.
So like, right. I also want to know कि क्या चल रहा है. Similar reason as you told me.
Right. You want to bring out those things. You want to bring out those stories, and that's really important for you and for me too. Actually,
And everyone. I mean, मेरी story से तुझे क्या पता who is going to get influenced?
Exactly. That's why I put it on the YouTube channel, because everyone sees that. Everyone has a YouTube channel. Everyone has a YouTube app for sure. They go there, they check the videos. If you're seeing something, at least see something worthwhile, something that will help you, at least something that will push you towards your goal. So
anything, and किसी को you don't know कि जब तूने Instagram खोला that post or whatever, that story is going to make your day or motivate you for that day.
Right, for sure.
और बंदे को भी नहीं पता होगा उसके पोस्ट डालने से तेरे को इफेक्ट हो रहा है, right?
Exactly.
So that is the power of the storytelling जो सब बोलते हैं, और सबको लगता है मजाक ही क्या है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, मुझे अपनी लाइफ से मतलब है. Works. Just do your thing.
Right.
That's how I do my podcast.
That's how it happens. What I wanted to ask you about the next part is, when we were talking about this, when you were starting out, that you want to work on this motivation, right? That's the correct word. Motivation to like work on it, and you work on it, you continuously work on it for a long period of time, and after that you start losing that motivation, so to speak, when you don't get that kind of results or responses which you thought would be.
Yes.
And there might be various reasons for these. You might not be reaching the right people. You might not be understanding the platform as a whole, what they expect of you, what catches people on, and stuff like that. But the important thing about out there is you still continuing without that motivation, because it's not like air. You just put it in a tire and it goes on and on. It will at one point of time get deflated, and you will have to push yourself again. You have to fill yourself with.
Is something that makes or breaks.
And that's what's needed in life, because in life you won't get hit physically, you will be hit mentally so many times. You will be bogged down so many times in life that you would have to get up and face this music. And I want to be ready for that. Whenever that things come, it's gonna come sooner or later. It's gonna come for everyone. It comes for everyone. It's not something that's only for me. It's going to come for everyone. I really like that pain. When you're working out your arms, you're working out your legs, you're working out your chest, you feel that pain, you touch that, and you feel that pain. And I love that pain. I don't know why I have that thing, but I love that pain, because it makes you mentally ready. And it is a sign of growth. I feel that pain again is a sign of growth. Like you went through this in life, it is a sign of growth for sure.
Right. Of course.
I don't know what to do, but that's a sign of growth for me. That's what
I mean, I have always been dealt with really bad cards. Is अचानक से चीज़ हो जाती है मेरी life में. And as you said, you are preparing for that day when things get really bad. I was never prepared. That's the thing why it took so long for me to accept things. Like if someone had told me बचपन में कि things can get bad, you can get a chronic disease, mentally prepare कर लो अपने आप को.
Yes.
कुछ करके करती maybe. I don't know. I know you can't prepare yourself for things like that. But for me, it happened so suddenly that it took me, I was in denial myself for so long that it took me a while to accept the fact that this is how my life is going to be.
Exactly.
Like I wasn't feeling sorry for myself. It was just a fact for me that I wasn't ready to accept yet. This college was something that I'd been looking forward to since, I don't know, ages, because my school life wasn't that great. I was like, college mein jaake, I'll do this over again. I want a new love. I want a fresh start.
Yeah.
So when this happened right before college, I was like, what shit timing is this? Yes. I want to live my college life. I want to be carefree. I want to do things, and I had to take care of myself. No one's gonna take, because I always wanted to live in a hostel.
Right.
Right. Mm-hmm. So I had to convince my dad that okay, I can take care of myself.
Right.
Let me live there, because which parent in their right mind would be okay sending someone newly diagnosed, like not even 2-3 months old, to a hostel? But my dad trusted me. So
that's normal. That happens. Yes.
Yeah, and I'm telling you, like it took me a while because I used to binge eat sweet stuff. इतनी denial में थी मैं, and that is not healthy, obviously. But who would I talk to? मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा था, half, like one part of my brain was like, I want to enjoy this life, I want to be carefree, मेरे को रात भर जगना है, मुझे breakfast करना है, but this demanded a schedule, like rigid schedule नहीं तो एटलीस्ट थोड़ा schedule तो चाहिए. You can't do that. You can't be like रात भर जग गए, सुबह breakfast नहीं किया and go about your day. I can't do that.
Exactly.
Right. So it was very hard for me to make the most of my first semester yet manage this. That first semester was the hardest because once you start accepting it, it gets really easy.
Yes.
Because then you don't feel sorry for yourself. Then it's just a part of your life. Like making coffee every day, सुबह routine में आ जाता है ना.
Right.
You don't feel sorry for yourself.
Exactly.
तो
right.
वो करना बहुत टफ होता है. And it's not just कि इतनी बड़ी चीज होगी, even छोटी सी चीज हमारी लाइफ में होगी, उसके साथ भी यही होगा. अचानक से हो जाएगी ना.
Yep.
You're sitting there going about your life. अचानक से कुछ हो गया तेरे साथ. Like this accidents होते हैं.
Right. Exactly.
अचानक से होते हैं, right? And sometimes उसके repercussions बहुत टाइम तक चलते हैं.
Yes.
It was the same thing, but once you start accepting it, people live their lives.
Yes.
Right. तो सॉरी फील करने का टाइम ही नहीं होना चाहिए किसी के पास अपने आप को. कोई पॉइंट नहीं है उसका. And the fact that what makes it better, it's like platforms like the ones you told me, or like your platform, कि सबके इतने सारे struggles है, तो why are you crying over this?
Yeah.
Right. मैं बहुत रोती थी मैं. But time नहीं किसी के पास. Like, don't feel sorry for yourself because उसका कोई point भी तो होना चाहिए ना.
Exactly.
मेरे दिमाग में था कि जैसे रोने का ना point होता है. You feel light after crying.
Exactly.
There is a point to crying.
There is a point to crying.
But there is no point feeling sorry for yourself. My friends are my friends because they don't even. उनके लिए कितना normal है when I go about my diabetes stuff. It's very normal for them. मतलब कोई ऐसे नहीं बोलते वो क्या कर रही है, क्या हो रहा है. Like I'm checking my blood sugar, उनके लिए normal है जैसे मैं phone check कर रही हूँ. So they don't make me feel like one of my best friends. When I told her this, because एक वो साइड में रही थी तो बताना होता है once you have like for a low blood sugar episode, you have to tell people around you that ऐसा हो सकता है तो मेरे को मीठा दे देना. तो उसने कुछ रिएक्ट नहीं किया. सॉरी तो छोड़, कुछ भी नहीं बोला. उसने कहा कि अच्छा क्या करना होता है. I was like मीठा देना होता है मेरे को. अगर मैं नहीं ले पाई मेरे को मीठा दे दियो कुछ भी. Like okay cool. So it was just a way of telling me that okay, I'll be there for you. But it's like I'm not making it a big deal, and that is why she's one of my best friends. उसने कभी नहीं किया मेरे साथ ऐसा. But she never once made me feel like ऐसा कुछ क्या ही हो गया. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Like, अच्छा ठीक है. This is a part of herself. Shambhavi. This is a part of Shambhavi.
How do you go about asking people to come on because you are a content creator, right? Yourself, you have a podcast. How do you go about the whole process, and how is your process of bringing people on?
But what I do is, when I started this podcast, I messaged at least 10 or 15 people I knew, like close friends, acquaintances, people. ऐसा नहीं था कि वही इंसान है because he's interesting. No, I just messaged them saying, starting a podcast, and would you like to be a part of it? And there are some people who are not comfortable talking.
Exactly, they are not.
हाँ, जैसे I wasn't, because मैं जिस हालत में घर पे रहती हूँ, I wasn't comfortable coming on video until like background ठीक हो, मैं ठीक हूँ. So there are some people who don't like talking.
Yeah.
Completely understand. So I message a lot of people, and especially after lockdown, that happened.
Yeah.
People stopped talking to people.
Yeah, that's one of the things again we will delve into afterwards.
But yeah, we spoke about this. So exactly, like this is what I noticed. I'm not sure that it happens, but it's just an observation that when people stop talking to people, आदत चली जाती बात करने की.
Yeah.
We were texting, right? We were texting since a month or so.
Yeah.
Right. अचानक से we start talking. It takes me a minute कि वो text को इंसान से वो करना, place करना.
Yeah.
हाँ. And since I'm not used to talking, मेरा सारा काम Teams पे हो जाता है. I text people office में भी. I don't talk to people actively. राइट, तो काफी फ्रिक्शन क्रिएट हो गया है मेरे लिए। पहले जो बहुत नॉर्मल चीज होती थी लोगों के लिए 10 लोगों से बात करना, अब इंसान एक इंसान से बात करे बिना ही कैन गो व्हाट इज इट। या सो ये पूरे लॉकडाउन से आई नो सम पीपल जिनके लिए बहुत दे फील लाइक अच्छा टेक्स्ट पे नहीं हो सकता क्या, या आई टेल यू टेक्स्ट पे, या कॉल नहीं करना मेरे को। ये बहुत रिसेंटली मैं देख रही थी ये चेंजेस, तो उसके कारण ज्यादा फ्रिक्शन भी हो गया था फॉर माय पॉडकास्ट। बट यूजुअली आई डू दिस एंड देयर लाइक ओके बट मैं क्या बात करूंगी, मेरे पास कुछ बात करने को नहीं है। हमेशा यही होता है, द फर्स्ट थिंग एनीवन टेल्स यू मैं क्या बात करूंगी, that is when I asked them that question that I told you about. What is something that you feel like not a lot of people talk about that maybe affected you, or maybe in ways that nahi baat hoti itni, you want to amplify that, or maybe you feel very strongly about it,
right?
Or maybe baat hoti hai but you want to talk about it too. Just one thing, tell me that thing जो सबसे पहले तेरे दिमाग में आता है. Mostly I get something out of it. सबका होगा. If I ask you, तेरे पास भी कुछ होगा दिमाग में जो पहली चीज आती है. कुछ ऐसा होगा जो तेरे को लगता है कि कोई बात क्यों नहीं करता इसके बारे में, मेरे को कितना अफेक्ट कर रही है ये चीज.
Exactly.
That is something I ask them. मुझे कुछ तो मिलता है थोड़ा बैक एंड फोर्थ करने के बाद. जैसे तेरे साथ मैंने बैक एंड फोर्थ नहीं किया अभी. So let's see, maybe I'll find my niche because I'm still trying to find my niche. I'm just 4 episodes old, so I wanted, like, there are some structures I want to play around with, and abhi because I've been busy with office and
work
stuff and work and all. So abhi wo ho raha hai. And I know that's an excuse because if you really want to do something, you make time.
You will make time for it for sure.
You will. ऐसा इतना कोई busy नहीं होता, सबकी job है, सब कुछ है, right? But वही है, like, after this, I am like one of those people, and this is something that one of my friends pointed out कि बहुत बड़ी perfectionist है.
Okay.
I was like, what? No, I'm not. Like, no. You take a long break and you feel like once you get back to it, you won't be as good as you were before.
Right.
So you have that friction. And that friend is really old. One of my old friends. So he knows me in ways maybe I don't know myself. तो उसने ये चीज बोली मुझे very recently. I was talking to him कि अब podcast चल रहा है नहीं चल रहा है, क्या करें उसके बारे में. And that's when he told me that this is something you need to work upon. कि नहीं, maybe some episode would be bad.
Yeah.
Just get to it, right? And that is what happens with me generally also. I have these small passion projects. जहाँ पे मैं अपनी creativity बाहर निकालती हूँ. Maybe it's digital art, maybe it's a blog, maybe it's something else. I do it for a few months. एक अच्छा high हो जाता है and मैं consistent नहीं रह पाती हूँ, which you spoke about earlier. Because जो इंसान consistent रहता है उसका platform चल जाता है. Let's see.
It's fine. I hopefully you will push out more content than you actually have. You are doing right now.
This really motivated me. This episode today, when you told me, I was like, "You banda kar raha hai, right? He's ready to have me on this time." When I told him, "Abhi kar."
Right, but thank you very much. Thank you very much for sharing us the insights. I'll have you on again. I feel there are lots of things we could talk about much more in detail.
Yes, maybe next month.
Even if you have time, next month, next year, whenever you have time about it, we'll go about. Thank you very much for watching the second part of the video of my interview with Shambhavi. In the first part of the video, we talked a lot about her journey, how she came up to deal with diabetes, what happened during her journey, and everything of that sort. In the second part, we talked a lot about what is pain, how is growth related to pain, how to get out of self-pity, how to deal with your problems and stuff like that. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. To watch the other videos that I present on the channel, do like, share, and subscribe so that you can see the content that I'm putting out. Looking forward to a lot more of your comments and shares. Thank you very much.